Welcome back to POV. It's fully 3 months of quarantine now. Or is it 6? Ooh, kitty cat. Hi, kitty. I like cats. Anyway, bored and broke, man. Gotta do something to pass the time, so got Longboy out here. I did a couple things. I went full on post-apocalyptic, put the big tires back on the truck mode. I haven't had these wheels on it since I did the lowering, and it looks pretty level. I like a little rake to my truck. There's no rake on it right now at all. It's just pretty flat, and so I suppose if I were to run these rims for any real stretch of time, I'd want to lower the front another inch maybe, and just get a little rake going. But they're on. I feel invincible. I drive around town only in this right now, just in case the zombies come out. Broke as hell. Gotta do something. So I'm got some door switches here. Gonna repair my old broken door switches. Hopefully get that Viper back kicking. Right now the Viper has a starter disable that is shorting out, and I am assuming it's bad door switches. What else do I got here? Got some squeaky what are these called? Sway bar bushings. So the old ones are busted. The new ones are gonna just bolt right on, hopefully in 5 minutes. Got these from Summit. What else do I have here? Radio antenna instructions for the truck. Yeah, I just got a cheap aftermarket replacement. Telescoping. Truck antenna. The old one on this guy is aftermarket and it sucks. So we'll throw a new one on there. I'm really missing my have a nice day. So I gotta get her back up there. Wish I could make this work. I don't know. It's cool. Maybe I could re-tap and be one of those nerds, but I just didn't like the design. This thing would slip constantly, and so I figure safer and better. Let's just get back to a beefy one here. And plus the price is right. 59 bucks from Summit, so I'm doing it. And we'll get our have a nice day back up on the truck. I'm not expecting to do like full hour-long videos right now, mostly because it was 96 degrees today, and I'm just not going to spend the time. Today, I'm going to go ahead and do the Hyperflex Performance Polyurethane Bushings. I like them. They're greasable. For this 69 C10, the part number is 35175G, 1 1/16 inch. Yeah, these guys look good to go. Can't wait to get them on. 5062, 1 1/16. I wish you could grease all 4 of them, but as they say, the 4 with the nipples actually go on the outside, or I'm sorry, the 2 with the nipples go on the outside, and then the 2 without the nipples go in the middle of the truck. Don't have any hardware, but we got some grease, and we got some new washers. So I'll go ahead and jack her up. We'll slide under there. We'll see if we can't follow these expertly crafted instructions right here. Yes, grease bushing. Let's get to it. All right, got her up. We're going to try to make this quick, but let's take a look at what we're looking at here. So this is the garbage I got on the machine right now. These are totally trash too. Yeah, it's got a little schmutz on it. Anyway, this one doesn't look totally housed. But this one right here definitely is. And I think it's these on the end that are causing the noise I'm hearing in the suspension, so can't wait to get this fixed. Bro, I don't know if you can see that, but that nipple ain't in there even close to straight. I have to back them out, and I think they're both kind of jacked. Bad game energy suspension. Hope that's not an indication of performance to come. That's just the way it's tapped, I guess. It's sad, man. Hope it holds grease. If these are actually made in the USA, made in America, yeah, made in America, like made in North America, as in made in Mexico, but whatever. Alright, let's stop bitching. Let's start wrenching. All right. (9/16). This one's already loose. See if your demos. Oh boy. Uh-oh. This looks bent. This is bent. Let's try to bust a knuckle. Ooh. Yeah, this stuff's all bent. Jesus. That only took fucking forever. This bolt is bent. As is this one. Don't care. And that, my friends, is one petrified piece of rubber. I ain't doing nothing no more. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh, this all looks like nonsense. What do I want to do, though? Yeah. Yeah, fuck it. I'm doing it. If I was going to do this correctly, I'm pretty sure I would try to repair this bar, but it's riveted on there. I'm not going to deal with it right now. Do I have a huge pry bar that can handle this gauge? Probably not. So I'm going to do the right thing. White lithium. Why not? That'll work, right? Guess I will have to loosen everything all the way around. Yeah. That might have been replaced. Bow out that. Cash me outside on that one. Let's see. Let's see. Nope, you're petrified as fuck too. Well, this bar is not bent. Well, that's nice. That one, that was a little wacky over there. Yeah, slide your washers freely over your paint job. It's totally fine. Sneaker on there. Yep, that's going to go on just fine. That's going to need some convincing. Yep. Okay, with these, there's a hole for the grease to go down inside this guy. So, yep, there's a little nipple right there. So, we don't need to lube this up at all. We can just jam her on there. I suppose with the right type of persuasion, she'll go in there. See if we can't do this in record time. Worthless. Solid. Yep, she's on there. There's your 90-degree grease gun. I'm going to just give these outside ones a few pumps of the old good stuff. Alright folks, there you have the aftermath. Shiny pieces. And got a little bit of a mess to clean up. We got them on, I don't know, it took like 45 minutes. Door switches, antenna. Let's keep the quarantine rolling.